Excuse my hair. It was a bit better earlier, but now it's like no. So I thought I'd make this video because I'm actually studying right now on the computer my Japanese. I'm actually proud of myself for the progress I've made in with Japanese because uh, I've only been learning it for not even a week, I think. I took a break. I didn't do any of it yesterday, but that's because I was out in the snow most of the day. Me and my partner, uh, we are going out in the snow, and we went to the park and stuff a couple times. I just love snow, so yeah. But anyways, but since I have been learning it, it's usually every day that I'll sit down for like an hour and just go and write sentences or anything. I haven't done too much though with symbols. It's like learning the words and remembering things, and I remember quite a bit of it, and it's great. I actually have a folder. I'm gonna get a better one, a cuter one or something, but for now, I just have this. It's my Japanese folder. Uh, but yeah, I haven't yet to. I'm yet to learn. Sorry, I keep moving around. I have it on my knee. The laptop. That is. Um, I like how it's doing this like flipped up thing. It's funny. Yeah. I'm yet to learn full sentences. I'm learning to say words, and you know, a lot of if you really take it into like if you look at English, um, there's a lot of letters that are silent, and that's the same with Japanese. A lot of letters are silent. So if you really look at it, there's one word. What does it mean again? I believe it means best regards, and it's yoroshiku, yoroshiku, yoroshiku. But it's really you really have to look at your own language. This is just my opinion. I know a lot of other people will probably disagree, or some might agree, but you really have to look at your language and really look at some of the things that could be similar to a different language, even if it's like completely different. Um, well, obviously it would be, but um, and compare some things because that's just it. Like anything really, there's always words that have there's always a silent letter usually. And in my last name, Sugarin, I can't remember which one, which is stupid, but one of the letters is silent, and people mistake that, and they think it's a different letter or something like that, and it's not, so they say it wrong. But if you knew which one was silent, you would say it right, right? That's what I mean. If you knew something, that's how you have to look at when you learn another language. And I've realized that, and is that if you can figure out what might be silent in a word, then you'll 90% probably be able to say it. So yeah, it's really funny, and I love how I didn't know what the capital of Canada was, but I knew what the capital of Japan was, and I'm Canadian born. I've lived here my whole life. Hmm. It's pretty sad, but true. Oh well, at least I know. I'm like, yeah. But yeah, I mean, it is fun. It can be frustrating, but like anything can be frustrating. And the thing is that a lot of people they'll start something, and it doesn't just mean a language. And this is just everyone knows this. Someone will start something, and then they don't end up doing it. And I've done that with different things because I thought I would like it. Like I said, I was gonna start drawing all the time, and I tried to, and it's just not my thing. Like I'm not good at drawing, and even if I could improve by taking classes or something, it's I'm not passionate about it. And that's just it. I'm passionate about photography. I'm passionate about learning Japanese. I really am because I want to go there someday. And I've always been obsessed with Japan, and I love Japanese movies. As I said in another video, and it's well, yes, like. Mm. And I don't know. I just yeah, you really need to be passionate to learn a second language. because otherwise you'll give up. Like, and the thing is that, well, that's just it. It just all comes down to being passionate about something. If you're not passionate, you will give up when it gets frustrating, because anything can be frustrating, not just languages. Um, it's going to take me quite a while, I know, maybe a couple of years, to learn to, well, not learn, but to remember how to write Japanese, like symbols and stuff. So that's definitely, it's going to take a while. But that's my point, is that I'm not going to be able to go to Japan for probably 4 or 5 years. So I could definitely learn it by then. I would love to be able to speak it and write it fluently in that time. So, and learn as much as I can about Japan. I actually know quite a bit about Japan from the YouTubers and from research when I was younger. Because, as I said again, in another video, I did a project when I was in grade 6, I think. We had to choose a place to learn on, and I picked Japan because I thought it was awesome, and it is. Go Japanese people.